Here at the St. James Hotel, breakfast is included with our room reservation, with the reservation we had. And this is one of the items I got at breakfast. It is eggs royale. It's a poached egg with hollandaise sauce on top of a bed of, looks like smoked salmon and an English muffin. Okay, another morning here at the St. James Hilton Curio Collection Trafalgar Square. Some people call it just Trafalgar, this Hilton hotel, because we're right off of the, if you could see it through the window, where, let's see, that bus, double-decker bus just passed through the big statue. That's Trafalgar Square there, right across the street from us. But in any case, they have a lovely buffet breakfast at this hotel, as well as you can order from the menu. What I have here is got some fruit with camembert cheese, baked beans. The British, they eat baked beans with their breakfast. Also this roasted black mushroom, or I don't know what you call it. This is a black mushroom. It's black, the color. That's why I'm saying black mushroom. And a hash brown and a sausage, and looks like an egg with cheese and yogurt. And the coffee here is delicious. So I'm gonna try all of this, and I'll let you know momentarily how it tastes. And then my lovely wife got me a glass of orange juice. So the best thing I like, though, on the original plate, the black colored mushrooms, those are good. I really like the sausage. Okay, so we also got avocado on toast with the, looks like, I don't know, looks like almost baby greens. They look like cloves, baby greens, I presume, I hope. And tomato on this toast. Let me elaborate. I like the avocado on toast. You get lots of avocado, and this is I don't know if it's just sourdough bread. It's some kind of artisanal type. Well, I shouldn't say artisanal. I don't know who baked the bread. It may have come from a bakery or whatever, but it's kind of a very hearty, almost tastes like sourdough French bread or something. All right, so let me finish eating this lovely breakfast.
So you have the bathroom, you have the tub, you have the mirror, you have a soaking tub. Minibar complimentary, no additional charge. Sodas, waters, and breakfast cookies to go with your coffee. Oh, it's shortbread biscuits. That's cute. Oh, they have like a whole tea set. Mm-hmm. It's a ceramic tea set. And apparently it's double windows, so you can't hear any traffic.
See the double-decker bus out there?
Mm-hmm.